Okay, so this is my second attempt at making a video to demonstrate how to capture a screenshot and then do something with it. Most likely I use it for sending to students just to show them what I mean instead of just actually writing in words. It's a lot easier. So okay, let's take this, and as you can see the screen is quite a bit bigger, and this is usually something you wouldn't see, but just a quick tidbit: if I hold in the control button on the keyboard and then use the mouse scroll, I can actually make it larger or smaller. You can do this with a lot of applications, although most of them anyway, you can change the screen size. So let's make it a little bit smaller here so we can look at something. Alright, the first thing is if I just want a screenshot just of the active window I'm in, I'm going to hold in the Alt, that's next to the space bar, that key, and then print screen, which will be above the number pad on the right hand side of your keyboard, and then I hit print screen. The other option is if I want more than just the active window, and maybe I want something in the background, or maybe I have another window open too and I want both of them or something like that, that would be the control print screen option. So I'd hold in the control button instead of the Alt button. Okay, so for the first one I'll do Alt print screen. So I just want this window, right? So I hold in the Alt button, hit print screen, and now I'll have to launch, and everybody will have this on their computer in Microsoft Paint. Usually it's in like all programs and stuff, but so I open up Microsoft Paint, and then I can just go ahead and say edit, paste. Alright, so now you can see that it's just the active window that is displayed or copied, or I'm sorry, pasted into Microsoft Paint. Now if I wanted to do more, I could just come in here like this and hit control print screen, and that'll do the entire screen itself, the whole thing. So if I come in here, edit, paste, sure enough you can see that we have both those windows and actually some more. And you can kind of move around a little bit. Okay. Actually, I have multiple windows open, so it's like the whole thing. But anyway, now what I need to do is I can resize this, or actually I would be cropping it. If I do something like this, get the little arrow, there it is, and I can come over here. Because of the resolution, it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, but there we go. So now I just have the screen I want, right? Now the nice thing is now I can go ahead and if someone's having difficulty navigating their file, the location of where maybe a file is, I can just I can circle it, something like this. Navigate to here, then here, however. And one of the nice things too is I can also add in text. I can come in here and I can type in text, and see how I overlaid the top of this? Well, I can just have it, if I select this option, well, it doesn't write over the image. So I can type whatever, and it doesn't affect the background. So that's kind of a nice thing. Alright, so now the next thing, and this is probably the most important part, is saving it. You actually want to hit Save As, and then you want to go to your file type, Save As, and then you want to change the file type. Instead of a bitmap, you want it as a JPEG. The reason being is because bitmap is going to be a larger file format. It's going to be bigger than a JPEG would. So then I can name it and save it, and now I have my screenshot edited on the desktop. And then you can just, oh, that's huge. And then you could just email that to the student and they could take a look at it, which is nice.